secretary in an office.
Oh, I see. Well, what kind of an office do you work in, Miss, Alice? Gesundheit.
Oh, thank you.
What kind of an office do you work in?
Just an office.
Oh. I guess you think I'm pretty nosy.
Yes, you are.
Yeah, I guess so. I'm sorry.
Well, it doesn't really matter.
Gesundheit. You're not catching cold, are you?
No, it's the sun. It always does this to me. I always sneeze exactly twice.